Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Atome using GCash. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is go ahead and open up your Atome app. Then from there, simply log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you will want to click on the pay button here. It will say pay or pay early option, depending what region you're in and what update of Atome you have. And then from there, you need to select bank transfer via InstaPay. And then from here, the app will generate a 16-digit account number. Copy this number. It serves as the recipient account number for the transfer. So here's the 16-digit number. Go ahead and click on copy code. And then from here, go ahead and open up your GCash app. And then you need to log in to your account. Then once you're inside your account, we need to click on the transfer button. Then on the next page, you want to choose Asia United Bank, AUB, as the recipient bank. And then paste that 16-digit account number in the account number field. Enter your name in the account field and then input the exact amount you need to pay. From there, confirm the transaction. The payment should reflect in your Atome account in real time. And please take note of a processing fee that may apply when using GCash for this transaction.